Hello guys, welcome back to Engineers Academy. In our last video we have seen the process of gas welding. If you haven't watched that video, please click on top right corner to know more about the gas welding process. Today we will learn about the types of flames which generated during the process of gas welding. But before going to our today's topic, I request you to consider subscribing. It will motivate us to make more of such videos. Also hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of our latest updates. In the process of gas welding, gases fuels are burned and produce high temperature flames which further used to create weld joint. The flame plays lead role to create weld joint and the weld properties are highly dependent on it. There are three types of flames: natural flame, carburizing flame, and oxidizing flame. Natural flame has synchronized mixture of fuel and oxygen, carburizing flame has more fuel and oxidizing flame has more oxygen. Different material used different flames according to weld condition. Let's check out these three flames. The first one is natural flame. As the name implies, this flame has equal amount of oxygen and gases fuel by the volume. This flame burns fuel completely and does not produce any chemical effect on metal to be welded. It is mostly used for welding mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, etc. It produces little smoke. This flame has two zones. The inner zone has white in color and has temperature about 3100 degrees centigrade, and outer zone has blue color and have temperature about 1275 degrees centigrade. The next type of flame is carburizing flame. This flame has excess of fuel gas. This flame chemically reacts with metal and form metal carbide. Due to this reason, this flame does not used with metal which absorb carbon. It is smoky and quiet flame. This flame has three regions. The inner zone has white color, the intermediate zone which is red in color, and outer cone has blue color. The inner cone temperature is about 2900 degrees centigrade. This flame is used to weld medium carbon steel, nickel, etc. And the last type of flame is oxidizing flame. When the amount of acetylene reduces from natural flame or amount of oxygen increases, the inner cone tend to disappear and the flame obtained is known as oxidizing flame. It is hotter than natural flame and has clearly defined two zones. The inner zone has very bright white color and has temperature of about 3300 degrees centigrade. The outer flame has blue in color. This flame is used to weld oxygen-free copper alloy like brass, bronze, etc. So guys, these are all types of flames used in gas welding process. If you have any query regarding this video, ask us by commenting. If you like this video, don't forget to share it on social networks. Subscribe our engineering channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.